I'm going to show you a loading technique to the front part of the arm. It covers roughly where the elbow bends to roughly where the shoulder moves. It will probably be easier to use a roller like this versus a ball because this is a little bit more forgiving. So when you apply this roller on your body, you want to make sure that the roller is perpendicular to your arm and not like this. The first technique I'm going to show you is more of the seek and destroy. So I'm going to start at my shoulder and then slowly go towards my elbow. Once I find a spot that's sensitive, I'm just going to hold that position, allow the weight of my arm to drape over the roller and melt into it. Once it becomes a little bit more tolerable and less sensitive, then I can progress to another spot. So right now I'm going towards my elbow and then I'm shifting back to my shoulder, but you can always tilt it so you can turn your palm upward so the bicep turns up towards the ceiling, or even turn it downward a little bit more like that. Wherever you feel more sensitive, you're going to hold that load. The second technique you can do is more of the pin and stretch. I'm going to find an area that's sensitive, I'm going to hold that position. From there I can just straighten out my elbow as much as I can and then slowly relax it. And then I'll do that again. I'll find another spot, I'll hold it right there because it's sensitive, and then I'll slowly straighten out my elbow. When I straighten out my elbow, that stretches out that tissue a little bit more. The other modification that you can actually do with the pin and stretch is you're going to use that opposite hand. Place it on the floor, push into the floor like you're doing a push-up, and rotate your body the opposite direction, and then slowly lower it back down. When you actually push and rotate your body, that's actually going to pull the tissue in that direction in which you're turning. So for me right now, when I'm pushing into the floor, the tissue is rotating towards the left side. So I'm pinning it down and I'm just stretching it out.